Alright, so I went to open the garage door to get my tractor out, and I don't know who got a bigger surprise, me or this guy hanging up here in the garage door. Neither one of us were very happy. Wonder how many more of these guys there is. Yeah, pretty good sized black snake up there. Anyway, my project for today is unloading all this hay. I got 200 here, 230 on here, and I got another tractor and trailer load with 340 on it that isn't here. But I'm not sure what to do here. I guess I'll just pull my tractor out and let the door back down, and maybe he'll figure out how to get down from there. All right, y'all have a nice day.